In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use templates in Todoist. Templates are a great way to save time and stay consistent with recurring projects like weekly planning, content schedules, or onboarding checklists. Instead of rebuilding the same set of tasks over and over, you can set it up once as a template and reuse it whenever you need. Let's walk through how to access and use templates inside Todoist. First, open your Todoist app on your computer or in your browser. At the top of the interface, you'll see a search bar. Go ahead and click on that search field. This is the same search you would normally use to find tasks or projects, but we're going to use it to quickly get to the templates section. Once the search box is active, type the word templates. As you start typing, Todoist will show you a few suggestions and options related to templates. What we're looking for is the option that says Browse Templates. When you see it appear in the list, click on Browse Templates. This will open the main templates area in Todoist. Here, you'll see different categories such as productivity, project management, personal, and more, depending on what Todoist is offering at the moment. There is also an area for your own saved or imported templates, often labeled something like My Templates. Take a moment to scroll through and explore the templates available. Each template usually comes with a name and sometimes a short description, so you can quickly understand what it's for. When you find a template that looks useful for you, click on it to select it. After you select a template, Todoist will guide you through a few on-screen prompts. These prompts typically include choosing where to add the template, such as creating a new project based on the template or importing it into an existing project. Read each option carefully so you know exactly where your task will appear. Confirm your selections and Todoist will automatically create the project or task for you based on that template. From there, you can customize anything you like. Rename the project, adjust due dates, assign tasks to teammates, or remove items you don't need. That's all there is to it. By using templates in Todoist, you can standardize your workflows and get new projects up and running in seconds, instead of starting from a blank page every time.